Hello friends, let's solve question number 5 now. If A, comma B, comma C are interior triangles of triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 equals to cot C by 2. This we need to prove. So, given A, comma B, comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC. So, I have just drawn a triangle with the vertices A, B and C. This represents angle A and here it is angle B. This is angle C. So we know that sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Write the same thing. We know that. In your exam you have to elaborate this, that we know that. For explanation I am writing it like this. Okay. We know that sum of angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. What are the angles here they have given, right? It's angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Okay, this we can write it as A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. We can write it like this, right? Okay, so here A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. And the next step, what will I do here? Just see in the required to prove part. We have to show here, see, A plus B is on one side, C is on other side. So what will I do? I will send this C to the right hand side. So A plus B equals to 180 minus C. Can I write it like this? Yes. After that, here on the left hand side, they have divided by 2. So what will I do? Dividing on both sides by 2. Dividing on both sides by 2. So what does it become? A plus B by 2 equals to 180 minus C by 2. So what does it becomes on the right hand side? A plus B by 2 equals 2. So we can separate this 2 for 2 of the terms, right? So 180 by 2 minus C by 2. 2 ones are 2 90s are. A plus B by 2 equals to 90 minus C by 2. Yes? Till now it's clear, right? Let's see in the question here. It is tan of A plus B by 2. So now what will I do here? It is, so A plus B by 2 we know. We got this. So applying tan on both sides. Applying tan on both sides. What do we get here? Tan of A plus B by 2 equals to tan of 90 minus C by 2. Till now it is clear, right? Let's continue the same thing here. Tan of A plus B by 2 equals to tan of 90 minus C by 2. Equals to tan of 90 minus C by 2. Okay. So this is in terms of tan of 90 minus theta, which can be written as cot theta. This we have learnt it from the concept of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, this is when you assume this C by 2 as theta, this is in terms of tan of 90 minus theta, which can be written as cot theta. Therefore, tan of A plus B by 2 equals to, can I write this as cot C by 2? Write it that, since from this we got it. Okay. So this is what they asked us to prove here, right? Tan of A plus B by 2 equals to cot C by 2. We got this. So hence proved. Hence proved. So this is the solution. Clear? So just I will tell you very briefly. So with the sum of angles property, everything I did. So here you have to check what is in the required to prove part. As per that we have to proceed here. Clear? Okay. So now let's solve question number 6 also. See here, this is question number 6. Express sine 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. When you see here, angles are more than 45. This is 75 to 65. They asked us to convert it in between 0 and 45. So how to convert that? Let's write here what was given. Given sine 75 plus cos 65. This we have to convert it in terms of angles between 0 and 45. How to convert that? This 75, I will write it as sine of 90 minus 15. It's nothing but, you'll be getting it as sine of 90 minus 15, it's nothing but sine 75. 90 minus 15 is 75 only. So in the same way, in the place of cos also, cos of 90 minus, can I write it as 25? Yes. Cos of 90 minus 25 degrees, it's nothing but cos 65 degrees. Okay. This, write it now here. We know that sine of 90 minus theta equals to cos theta, and cos of 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. Correct? So, therefore sin 75 plus cos 65 equals to. So from this what can we write? When you assume this 15 degrees as theta, sin of 90 minus theta, it's nothing but cos 15 plus cos of 90 minus theta, it's nothing but sin 25 degrees. So this is the answer. Okay. So what can we write it? So therefore sin 75 plus cos 65 equals to, since here the angles have to be less than 45 degrees, so it is expressed in the terms of angles lying in between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So the answer is this. Okay, this part is the answer. Clear? So put it in a bracket. So this is the solution. It's very simple. So with this, exercise 11.3, every question is solved. So I hope you like the explanation. In case you like my video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.